Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, press the like button, get start. Data security, data privacy. Data security versus data privacy and effective distinction to protect data. This- In the present digital world, organization face a multitude of challenges related to the privacy and security of comply consumer and client data. The sheer volume of data that enterprise handle and store in growing and drive a greater need for data protection practice. In addition, computing environment have become highly complex, routinely spanning spinning the cloud, the enterprise data center, and numerous devices running from lot sensor of remote server. This complexity proliferates the attacker's surface, making it more challenging for organizations to monitor and secure data. Therefore, it has become crucial of organization incorporated incorporated that security and data privacy policy into a sound data governance strategy to prevent database and active legal compliance. However, many organizations believe that their data security policy covers data privacy and vice versa. They often use data security and data privacy interchangeably, but this is not the case. There are distance difference between data security and data privacy. What is the core difference between data security and data privacy? Data security is commonly referred to as a confidentially availability and integrity of information. It is all about the practice and procedure that focus on protecting personal information from unauthorized access, data breach, cyber attack, and accidental or international data loss. Data security ensure that data is ac- accurate and reliable and is available for authorized user. A data security plan includes resilient data storage technologies, encryption solution, data ensure data making, physical and logical access controls, brace response and multi-factor authentication. Where data privacy is concerned with the procedures and policies that govern the collection, store sharing and use of personally identifiable information PII and property corporate information. It referred to the rules and regulation that ensure uh, personal or private information is being controlled on par with the preference of the concerned individuals. Now, Data privacy law GDP, GDPR, CCPA, and HIPAA impose a broader set of privacy standard and regulatory compliance requirement on companies that store or process the PII. This law can impose penalties or even a criminal charge for failure to safeguard the privacy of PII and other highly sensitive personal information. Understanding the destination data security versus data privacy. The best way of understand and destination between data security and data privacy is to consider the mechanism used in the both cases. An organization may have effective and root data security, yet the procedure of process that collect or handle information might violate the privacy policy. For instance, an organization might ensure data security by encrypting, making, and properly accessing the data. But if the gathers an information importantly, for instance, without any proper consent consents from the concerned individual, the organization has evaluated data privacy requirements, even the thought data security remains under set. Therefore, organization must understand that the data security can be possible without data privacy. However, data privacy cannot be achieved without data security. Data security is a paper quest to data privacy. How to build data privacy and data security plans. Concerned a loss of personal information and sensitive data can lead to business interruption, significant and reputational damage, and regulatory appendix organization can check in unforeseen business interruption by developing good security practice and conforming to the associate privacy requirement. How to build data privacy and data security plan. Data privacy plan versus data security plan. Thank you for watching us.